everyone else has vanished. So we just decided to throw some rocks, cause...
Oh, I made it across.
You did?
Yeah. Watch. You gotta take one of these.
Oh,
Watch.
the flat ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I don't even think I got that on the recording, but... Oh, like this one, like this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's a big one. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, your turn. Ooh, that was nice. Come on, can we go? I'm trying to swim.
Last one.
Last one. Oh, that was good. Yes. So we lost them. Oh, I know. I can see them. They're crossing like a log right now.
They're going the other side.
So what do you... I'm so excited to swim. It is sticky as hell.
I gotta switch my underwears and put the other thing on. I definitely gotta find it.
They're just laughing without us. You see how fucked that up that is?
Sorry, man.
Oh, no. It's okay. How you doing, bro? Interview time. How you feeling?
Well, how do you take New York niggas out the hood?
You fall into the water?
Fall into the water.
Yo, I look so sweaty.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not like actually sweating because this is like a lot. It's just so humid that you're... Sue's getting lost. It smells like, oh gosh, like a dirty diaper out here. Yo, there's this bug. Ah!
Put on the bug repellent.
Bro, I did.
Put it in your face.
I don't have it. I get like mosquito bites on my face. It's over for me. You made it back.
Intense, yo. Yo, low key for like a second, I was like, I lost these. I was panicking, low key.
Aww.
I was like, let me follow the river. I see you guys on the opposite side. I'm like, fuck.
Oh yeah, we're close.
Yeah, we're like right there.
Baby, you look so cute.
No.
Don David takes on hiking. Huh, baby?
I already have like one scar there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, baby, are you gonna be okay?
I'll be all perfectly fine.
Okay.
Almost here. 2 minutes and we're there, promise.
I feel like we're like hosting like a tour guide group right now.
We can walk this shit barefoot in no water.
No, you can, but it hurts because there's lots of rocks.
Okay.
And you're gonna slip because it's very wet.
Yeah, but I think you might.
I mean, Surreal, if you want to do that, like, we'll see you in an hour, but...
I'm just speaking out of personal experience.
This leads. You see all my sweat on my long ass neck? Alright, we're here. What's up there? Nigga said 2 minutes before, and now he's saying upstairs. Up there. It's not like a climb.
Life's a climb, but the view is great. No. How you feeling, Juan?
I wish I learned how to swim when I was young.
So,
I should have really learned how to swim.
why didn't you learn how to swim?
A lot of reasons.
Oh, you were scared of the water?
Sort of. I've drowned before, actually.
You almost drowned today, buddy.
Yeah, just one more time. I think I've almost drowned 4 times at least.
No, the water's fine. Don't blame the water. I know you're scared and I know you hate the water, but she didn't do anything to you. Why aren't you working? Alright, we found this I can't even talk. We found this abandoned house. We're gonna go explore it. You're gonna wait outside? Are you for real right now? Come on, like. Alright, here we are. This is the view.
After I watched it, I had no
So we gotta. Oh, okay, nice, nice. It's like literally falling apart, but that's cool. Yo, I feel like someone's gonna like pop out and come for me.
Yeah. This is what every movie warns you about. We're literally walking into danger.
David!
David, don't feel like this. Watch out with the nails, right? Watch where you walk.
Yeah.
There's no nails.
Damn, yo, they fucked this shit up.
The aliens, we out here.
Live squad, live.
Live gang. Oh my god, I thought that was like coming.
Chris and
Yo, what is that? What is floating around you? Moths? Okay.
Yo, this is downstairs. Is it downstairs too?
Oh no! Yo, this is the bathtub, bro.
Yo, you trying to check out downstairs with me? Oh, that shit is scary.
Let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh, hell no.
Wait, let me get that flash going on real quick.
Yeah, please do.
Alright.
Not much here. Okay, cool. We didn't go that far. One never left.
Damn, it's pretty cool down there though.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Doesn't smell bad though. That's weird.
Oh, there's lots of bugs out here.
I actually want to look at these tabs.
Yo, this has a. Oh no.
What happened? What happened? What?
What, you feel like you're gonna fall down and shit?
Fall into what?
It says
Oh, into the basement.
Damn, my voice is that bad.
No, it's good. You sound great. You sound great.
Oh, you can't really walk on nothing up here.
Oh, really? What does it look like? Get that. Can we take the corner? Bro. For a quick photo stop. I just wanted to close out the vlog here. Just want to say thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe. I'm gonna try to post more, or at least try to learn to edit faster, because it's kind of a lot. But anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower and make some food and like watch a movie or something. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.